And finally tonight, the 12th Annual Gulf Heart Association and 4th Kuwait Cardiac Society Conference kicked off at the Regency Hotel. The conference is an annual event that brings together health practitioners and medical experts from around the globe. This year's conference has witnessed increased workshops and a full day that has been dedicated for paediatric cardiology colleagues. The conference is expected to span over a period of 4 days. More on the following with reporter Ghanwa Jabouri.
Under the auspices of His Highness the Emir of Kuwait, Sheikh Subah Al Ahmed Al Jaber Al Subah, the 12th Annual Gulf Heart Association and the 4th Kuwait Cardiac Society Conference officially kicked off in the presence of His Excellency Health Minister Ali Al Obaidi. The conference brings together medical experts and health organizations to discuss the latest news related to cardiology and treatments that can prevent heart attacks, strokes, and other issues related to health.
And Ali Abdul Wahab and all the companies under Ali Abdul Wahab like Senfa, we normally bring in new brands and companies that supports the health in Kuwait. That's for this conference in specific. We have drugs for hypertension. Senfa is a Spanish company that is newly launched in Kuwait. So we have loved to highlight that brand, as well as all the other brands under AAW, similar to Biotronic, for example. All those are within the topic of the conference.
In his opening remarks during the opening ceremony, Health Minister Ali Al Obaidi said that heart diseases are the primary cause of death in Kuwait, representing more than 40% of the total deaths annually.
It is a huge deal because this conference, the 12th Annual Gulf Heart Association Conference and the 4th Kuwait Cardiac Society, it happens once every 7 years. It rotates between the 7 countries of the GCC and Yemen. So the last time it was in Kuwait in 2007 and then 2022. So it's a big deal for us, and that's why we try to make it as big as we can. And so number one. Number two, we have attendees and lecturers, presenters from the Middle East, from Europe, from North America, Canada, the US, and it is a big deal. And of course, heart disease is a big deal. It's the #1 killer in our societies. We have lots of it. We see young patients with heart attacks, and we have a lot of reasons why these patients get heart attacks. So in that way, it's also a big deal. So we gather, we talk about it. We actually share our experiences. We share our experiences with our colleagues from the region, from North America and Canada and Europe, and we exchange ideas and ways to combat disease and do the work that we should do in a proper way.
The Health Minister added that the Ministry is proud of the great efforts exerted and achievements it made in cardiology healthcare, which are illustrated by figures and statistics published by the Ministry.
The 12th Annual Gulf Heart Association and the 4th Kuwait Cardiac Society Conference brings together the minds of medical experts under one roof. From the Regency Hotel, I'm Ghanwa Jabouri reporting to you for the English News.